treasures of history, the world's most beautiful landmarks.
In this episode, we'll take a closer look at the Lincoln Memorial. It is located in Washington, D.C. The memorial stands in Washington, D.C. at the western end of the National Mall. This location places it at the heart of America's symbolic civic landscape. From its steps, there is a direct view toward the reflecting pool and the Washington Monument. Its placement was designed to feel solemn and monumental. The Lincoln Memorial is a monumental memorial dedicated to U.S. President Abraham Lincoln. It is one of the most famous landmarks in the United States and a symbol of freedom, unity, and democracy. Inside, there is a large seated statue of Lincoln, and the walls are inscribed with parts of his most famous speeches. The memorial was designed in the form of a classical Greek temple, which gives it a solemn and dignified appearance. Here are some of the most interesting facts about the Lincoln Memorial. The Lincoln Memorial is one of the most famous memorials in the United States. The Lincoln Memorial is one of the most iconic landmarks in the United States. Its monumental form, historical meaning, and location in central Washington have made it one of the country's principal symbols. Millions of people visit it every year from around the world. For many, it represents the image of American democracy and national unity. It is dedicated to President Abraham Lincoln. The Lincoln Memorial was built to honor Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Lincoln is remembered in American history as the leader who preserved the Union during the Civil War. He is also closely associated with the end of slavery. The memorial therefore commemorates not only a man, but also the values he embodied. The memorial was designed in the form of a Greek temple. The architecture of the Lincoln Memorial was inspired by ancient Greek temples. This style was chosen to express permanence, dignity, and the ideal of democracy. The columns, symmetry, and monumental proportions give the structure a ceremonial character. As a result, the memorial feels timeless and noble. It has 36 columns representing the states of the Union. The memorial is surrounded by 36 Doric columns. Each one represents a state in the Union at the time of Lincoln's death in 1865. This architectural detail connects the building to a moment of national grief and unity. The columns are therefore not merely decorative, but also an essential part of the memorial's message. Inside stands a massive seated statue of Lincoln. At the center of the interior stands a large seated statue of Abraham Lincoln. This sculpture is one of the most famous depictions of the president in the history of American art. Lincoln is seated calmly, yet he appears powerful and thoughtful. His facial expression and posture emphasize both gravity and moral authority. The statue is about 19 feet tall. Lincoln's statue is monumental, not only in artistic expression, but also in scale. The seated figure itself is about 19 feet tall, which gives it tremendous visual power. Combined with the great height of the interior space, it appears even more impressive. Visitors are often struck by its scale. Two of Lincoln's most famous speeches are inscribed on the walls. Inside the memorial, two of Lincoln's most famous speeches are carved into the walls. One is the Gettysburg Address, and the other is his second inaugural address. These texts are among the most important documents in American political rhetoric. Their presence gives the memorial deep intellectual and moral meaning. The Lincoln Memorial was dedicated in 1922. The memorial was officially dedicated in 1922. Its creation came decades after Lincoln's death, showing how lasting and powerful his influence remained in American memory. The dedication was a major national event. Since then, the memorial has become a permanent part of the identity of both Washington and the nation. It was designed by architect Henry Bacon. The memorial was designed by architect Henry Bacon. His concept combined monumental simplicity with deep symbolism. Bacon created a structure that feels ceremonial without being overly ornate. This architectural clarity helped produce one of the most powerful memorials in America. The statue of Lincoln was created by Daniel Chester French. The famous statue of Abraham Lincoln was created by sculptor Daniel Chester French. His work is regarded as one of the great achievements of monumental sculpture in the United States. French succeeded in combining a realistic portrait with an ideal expression of statesmanlike dignity. Because of this, the statue feels not only like a likeness, but also like a symbol of character. The interior was designed to inspire reverence and silence. The space inside the memorial feels solemn and quiet. High walls, the immense statue, and subdued lighting create an atmosphere that encourages reflection. The memorial does not feel like a loud tourist attraction, but like a place of civic reverence. This emotional effect is one of its greatest strengths. The memorial played a major role in the civil rights movement. The Lincoln Memorial became the site of many historic gatherings and speeches connected to civil rights. The most famous was Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech in 1963. This linked the memorial not only to the era of the Civil War, but also to the modern struggle for racial equality. Its significance, therefore, became even deeper. The memorial steps are among the most famous steps in America. The steps in front of the Lincoln Memorial are known to millions of people from photographs, films, and historic footage. From there, one of the most powerful views of the National Mall unfolds. The steps have also served as the site of public gatherings and memorable speeches. Their symbolic value is almost as great as that of the building itself. The memorial is reflected in the reflecting pool. One of the most famous views in Washington is the site of the Lincoln Memorial across the reflecting pool. The reflection in the water heightens its monumentality and visual power. This image is one of the most photographed scenes in the US Capitol. It unites architecture, landscape, and symbolism in one harmonious composition. The Lincoln Memorial is open to the public as a national memorial. The memorial is intended for the general public and is one of those places people can visit as part of a civic and historical experience. It is not only a tourist destination, but also a space for quiet remembrance and reflection. Because of that, it remains a living part of national life. Its accessibility is an important part of its meaning. Its architecture expresses permanence and stability. The use of classical forms, massive columns, and a symmetrical plan is not accidental. All these elements are meant to suggest the endurance and stability of the Republic. In this way, the architecture expresses the values associated with Lincoln's legacy. The structure feels like a stone embodiment of a civic ideal. The Lincoln Memorial is frequently represented in American culture. The memorial appears in films, documentaries, news broadcasts, and educational materials. Its silhouette and interior are instantly recognizable. In popular culture, it often stands for America, history, and the moral authority of President Lincoln. In this way, its symbolic power extends into everyday visual culture. It is a place of national memory and personal reflection. For some people, the Lincoln Memorial is a historic landmark. For others, it is a place of personal contemplation. Its space allows history to be felt on both a grand and a human level. Visitors come not only for the architecture, but also for the sense of meaning the site carries. The memorial therefore operates on multiple emotional levels. The Lincoln Memorial is one of the strongest symbols of American values. The memorial brings together history, architecture, politics, and moral legacy. It recalls national unity, the struggle against slavery, and the importance of civic courage. It is a place where the American past meets the ideals to which the nation continues to return. For that reason, it is one of the most important landmarks in the United States.
Discover the greatest wonders of the ancient, the modern, and the natural world only on Monuments Channel.